This is the heart-stopping moment. A panicking father sprints after a moving train after he left his baby alone on board to smoke a cigarette. The passenger had stepped out onto the platform to light up when the door suddenly closed, separating him from his child.Dramatic. CCTV footage showed the father chasing down the rapid transit train, shouting and banging desperately on the doors as it departed Windermere Station in Cleveland, Ohio, last month. Another passenger alerted the driver, who quickly reversed course and safely reunited the baby with its father at the station. The father was then accused of menacing the female train operator, according to her police statement, but the allegation was not backed up by a regional transit authority (RTA) investigation, Cleveland 19 News reported. The security footage, which first surfaced on Monday, shows the father entering the train, carrying the child in a baby basket. He sets it down on a seat and tucks the baby in before stepping out onto the platform, leaving it unattended. Outside, he is seen asking a fellow passenger for a light and then sparking a cigarette. Back on board, another passenger knocks on the window to warn him the train is about to leave, but the door slams shut before he can make it inside. He is then seen running as fast as he can towards the front carriage, frantically trying to get the driver's attention as the train disappears from view. RTA officials said neither the baby nor passengers were in any danger during the incident, but the driver was later coached for not following communication procedures. Viewers on social media blamed the father for the incident. Sandra Spokas asked, "Is a cigarette that important?" Andrew Wood said, "Why would you leave your baby by itself on a public train? What the hell?" Kathleen O'Toole said, "Shaking my head." Unbelievable. Brenda Rose Edwards added, "Maybe he'll quit smoking now."